Hi, this is Phil Borders from Hendricks Therapy again, and today's topic is guilt. Guilt's a very important topic for mental health because it is so detrimental to mental health and also because it's so prevalent. Um, when I meet somebody for the first time, it's one of the first questions I find out. I try to find out how big their guilt button is. And if they have a pretty good sized guilt button, then I get pretty excited about it. Now, I don't get excited about because I'm sadistic or weird, although I might be a little weird, but I get excited about it because it's low-hanging fruit. It's something that you can address right away and start dealing with it right away. Now, there's a couple ways to look at guilt. One is you can look at guilt as a feeling. It's a feeling of remorse, a feeling of responsibility that you said or did something wrong, or perceive that you said or did something wrong. So one way to look at guilt is as a feeling. However, I like looking at guilt a little bit differently. I like looking at guilt as a judgment, where you and I are judged guilty, not guilty, in the eyes of God, in the eyes of the law, in the eyes of our neighbors, whoever. My personal belief is you and I should be judged guilty if and only if we purposely, it has to be a choice, we purposely choose to do something morally incorrect. That's it. So what I like people to do is when they feel guilty, take a step back, say, wait a second, not really a feeling, it's a judgment. Did I purposely do something morally wrong? Most of the time, the answer is probably going to be no. I'm not guilty. And that's not going to obviously make things magically better all of a sudden, but if you start doing that over and over and over again, where you start looking at your guilt, challenging your guilt, and when you are guilty, own up. Me and you are going to mess up. We're going to do something morally wrong on purpose once in a while. But most of the time, for at least people with depression and anxiety, their guilt is incorrect. And once you get rid of the guilt, it's a really easy, quick way to start feeling better. Hope this was helpful. Talk to you later.